Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a little Scarlett and Jo unboxing. So if you don't know Scarlett and Jo, they do beautiful dresses. They're super size inclusive, and their dresses are just like really beautiful and just perfectly designed for bigger bodies, and they're just, I don't know, they're just everything. They're comfortable, they're flattering, they are quite modest, but they're also kind of giving a little bit of sass. And they do a whole host of different materials and prints, and they're just really beautiful. This is my second Scarlett and Jo dress, and I'm very excited to try it on, so I thought I'd do it with you. But first of all, I think we need some lipstick because my face is looking a little like I'm tired and ill, and I'm actually neither. Okay, that's a bit better. I feel more like myself with lipstick. Oh my goodness, just look at these colours. They're so beautiful and vibrant. I'm loving this print. Let's put it on, and I just hope I got the right size. I hope it fits. And yeah, I just love this print. So let's get it on. It's clear I'm really into a theme. This is the dress. This is my wallpaper. I love it. Also, you would have thought I'd tidied up before filming this, but no, I was too excited. Anyway, let's get the dress on. Okay, it's on, it fits. Oh my God, what have I broken? Oops, I broke that. Okay, let me show you the dress. So here it is. I've got the 18 on and it fits perfectly. I have to say I'm not wearing any shapewear. I'm wearing the most like light, non-underwired, non-flattering bra in the world, but it's doing its work. You know, when you're like, I'm not wearing a good bra under here, I'm wearing not a good bra, and it's helping things out a lot. I love the print. The print is absolutely stunning. It's just so beautiful. I love this print. I hope you can see it with the sunshine. It's definitely giving the right amount of boob, not too much boob, not too little boob. The sleeves are really pretty because they're flattering and they are just a little bit of cover without feeling too covered up. The waistband is one of my favourite things about a Scarlett and Jo dress because it's quite a wide waistband and it kind of holds you in a bit, but without it being uncomfortable. And then this length is actually quite long. I think my other Scarlett and Jo dress is more of a midi length, maybe a little bit of a longer mid-axi, I think they're calling it. So this is a bit longer, so it might actually be better with heels. But I'm wearing it with flats because I'm lazy. But yeah, I think the drapery around the bust is beautiful. It's definitely working to push things up a bit. The sleeves are beautiful. The waist does nip me in without it being constricting. I'm literally wearing no shapewear, so there's no kind of skimming down of the hips, but it just kind of sits really nicely over the hips. Again, this print is so beautiful. I love the print. And then the skirt has got good width to it without it being kind of too much of a circle skirt. But yeah, this is the dress. I love the print. I hope you can see it properly because it is really bright sunshine, but it's so pretty. I mean, the flowers, they are just beautiful. It's a beautiful print. And the shape is just perfectly designed to be kind of like dressy and flattering, but fabulous. And it just kind of like skims and hugs in all the right places. And then it kind of pulls you in at the waist, pulls you up at the boobs. And yeah, I love it. I do think this might be better with like slightly higher heels because this is the longer length dress that they do. They do a shorter version. They do one with like 3/4 sleeves and I think with no sleeves. But I did want a slightly longer one because my other Scarlett and Jo dress is a little bit shorter. I think it's more like a mid-axi length. Actually, let me take you in the other room. I'm going to show you this dress in another light because we've got quite a lot of sun glare in here. Okay, here I am in the bathroom. You can't see the full length version, so apologies. But I think you do get a good sense of the print in here. By the way, it's really echoing here, so this might be a really bad place to film. But I just thought it might kind of show you the print where it's not quite so glary in the sun. But it's honestly like the most beautiful and vibrant colours ever. Hey Gordon, you all right, sweetheart? Oh, are you waiting for your daddy to come home? Oh, sweetheart, I love you. Anyway, we are back in the bedroom. This is the print again. I absolutely love it. It does go remarkably well with my wallpaper, doesn't it? Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my dress. I would recommend Scarlett Jo dresses all day long. They are incredible. If you have a slightly bigger body and you just want to wear something like really beautiful and really flattering and like kind of formal and perfect for like a wedding. And yeah, this is kind of the perfect dress, if I'm honest. Like, I just feel good. I feel formal. I feel fancy. I don't feel like too on display. I don't feel too covered up. They're just the perfect mix of everything, really. Anyway, that's my video. I hope you like it. And yeah, I recommend Scarlett Jo dresses all day long, and I hope you like it as much as I do.